Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am need download driver Lexmark. This here for Serial, and this here for driver free download, and this here for the official website download, and the free your download, and this here your type here the driver 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 download. Okay, this here for the official website. This here for official website. You click here Lexmark Sport, and this here for paste your paste your model print, and this here click find a driver and build it. This one, this here for the tag automatic your operating system, and this here for the tag automatic your this here for your driver recommended. This here for your driver support and printer and scanner, and my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Macintosh, or the Mac, the operating system for the if we make the operating system for the Linux, this here for the tag automatic your operating system. And if you need to download, you click here for if you need to download driver, and click here for button download driver package. Click here, and this here for see more. This here for operating system for the Windows all version, and this here for operating system for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and this here for Windows Server, and this here for a new version for Windows 11. And if you need download, you click here for button start download. This here for you download a driver. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and please white finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic your USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel, and see you by next time the video.